Oh, okay. Ufuna ngilibize sexy ne? Khani uzongwazi. Okay, Cynthia.
Okay, let's just laugh.
Iziyo zabantu.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why ngihalela ukulungisa niyakho. If ungakwazi kusiyami.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? So yeah, today I don't know I'm like that, but yeah, today I'm basically helping Rooms find a girlfriend on TikTok Live. Rooms right now is kind of never so social with my 6'9". But later on, today we're helping Rooms find a girlfriend. Rooms are gonna do man. So yeah, Rooms. Today my brother, you are getting a girlfriend from TikTok Live. So yeah, this is Rooms. Yo, yes.
Yo, what up, YouTube? Yeah, it's your boy, man, boy, you know? You get what I'm saying? Today, I'm about to get a girl from online, you know? You get what I'm saying?
Okay.
So yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Yo. Always. Hello, how are you doing? Good. I'm good. So am I supposed to turn on my camera or it's fine like this?
Excuse?
Am I supposed to turn on my camera or it's fine like this?
Please turn on your camera.
Wait. Can you see me now? What's happening on this face?
What is happening?
But I can't see you anymore. Oh yeah. I can see you. Are you good though? Yeah. What's wrong with my phone? The table too slippery. Why are you making me so large? Why are you making me the main character now? Yeah? Okay, yeah, so my name is Manis and what's your name? Your name is what? Bonolo. Oh, nice to meet you, Bonolo. So, like, basically, man, you have, what are the tooth gems, or you actually have a gold tooth? Oh, it's a tooth gem. No, it's sweet. Look, it looks nice on you. Why are you making that face?
Because.
Yeah, so like basically, man, I actually joined your life because like, there's someone who's been struggling kinda. He said he wants to talk to you basically. So he said like, can I please join your live? Yeah, well. So can he join? Can he like pull up? Angisili yo mina Nkosi yami. Ngumzulu ngqo. Awuzwa. Awuthi ngikhuluma isiZulu ngathi mhlawumbe awungizwa uma ngikhuluma isiNgisi. Uthini yesisi wami?
IsiNgisi English.
Yebo, English. Cha isifana ngiyasazi. Ngakhona lokubusa wa, ngakhona uthwa.
Utsasitshona kabasiso.
Ngithe wasitswana sensisotho ke muZulu obviously ngazi isiZulu kahle wathi sifana kasitho sifana kasitho yeah
Lebana bashaka Zulu.
yebo yithi labo omakeba kaphungashe
Yes.
yebo so yeah like basically the reason I joined this live is because Rooms thought like you look cute and stuff yabo manje ngcono ngitheka ikhulumele
No.
kungazi ube ngathi mhlambe ushadile there's this one thing that the female told me but if she's not a mountain she can be moved na akayona intaba uyasuka lowo muntu loyo hawu
ukuthi wenzani ngobani angihlangene awuhlangene athanda yena
Kahle. Gazi,
Hawu uyasawa.
Hayi lutho gazi
Hlala phela.
Hayi gazi. Ahlahle into enzala nje manje.
Vela gazi.
Mana gazi.
Oh, gazi,
Gazi
gazi,
ngeza,
gazi.
mana gazi, mana
Hawu,
gazi,
gazi,
mana
yezala.
gazi. Gazi ngiyeza.
Vela
Hawu.
kahle phela gazi. Uwe lona gazi.
Sawubona
Gazi, awubonakala
mana
gazi.
gazi.
Hola.
Gazi ngiza nayo njengamanje gazi lo muntu. Hawu sawubona kunjani?
Uyabingelela gazi.
Tsika yini? Kahle gazi mina ngikwazi ukukhuluma. Hayi ngimsaba uyambona ukuthi muhle kakhulu. That's why ngimsaba muhle kakhulu inkinga yes. Hayi yes. Ubani igama lakho sisi? Yebo. Kangazi ngikhuluma ngiyiwani phela lana. Hawu ngiyambuza musu ukuthi wenqale ubani igama lakhe manje akangiphenduli phela. Hawu.
Oh, kuthiwa funda la phezulu. Funda la phezulu.
Hayi. Cynthia. Hey wena uyafakaza man now shit shut up. Okay ufuna ngilibize sexy ne khani uzongwazi okay Cynthia.
Okay, let's just laugh.
Like ufuna ngithini Cynthia. You get what I'm saying? Mara why bathi Bobby? Hey Bobby. Oh, hayi cha. Zike khona lokho kukwenza kube muhleke Bobby. Shuthi hayi. No, angisho ukuthi yeah, yebo. Madluphuthu. Yo, laka awuchange ya ish. Kodwa ngathi ngeke uzongilalisa abhlungu ebusuku njengamanje. Yo. Yeah. Ish. Yo, cava phela, cava upila njani. Ubiyanga yo. Upila man. Hawu vela phela. Ish, lelo limi. Sweetheart. Bakithi. Alright kodwa mama. Right. Ukhuluma la kodwa Nkosi yami. Yini man. Kodwa Nkosi yami. Kodwa muhle noma unjalo muhle yazi. Ay ebese vele fakaza ke. Nakho ke. Hayi. Kwangathi ngikhane ngibona ukukhanya njengamanje. Uyakwazi ukusiza isiZulu? Ay ngoba mina ngingayazi yena ne-English Nkosi yami. Ay yabona Nkosi yami. Ngikhuluma nango my sister my brother ngizobuya kuwe buti mo kancane wo ngizobuya kuwe.
Mongazi ukuthi uthini uthi yo wafaka.
Bese vele khuluma ubani leli jongo lona leli ubani nalo?
Ijongo. Amazulu latela man.
Hayi. Hey my sister mengisakhuluma nawe ngisasho ukuthi kahle mina igama lami ngoman boy ne.
Boy.
Yeah, man boy. Esikahle. My name is Man Boy. Man Boy. Bese clear mfethu. Lenta ngikhuluma nawe tinsango.
Hayi sekathanda ngizina kuwe.
Wa utseha mona. Utsehang. Yeah, bengikhuluma nango Cynthia. Okay, see, okay.
character wena.
How? Ngikhuluma no Cynthia. You get what I'm saying, my brother? Eh?
Ngipitse bonolo.
Bani mun? Ish.
Bonolo.
Oh, bonolo ne ish phela ish. Angijwayele ukubiza la magama.
Bunolo.
Ish, ebinkosi mfethu. Bese fakaza zwana phela ugawu. Oh, bonolo ne. Mina okay. Yeah, mina bonolo naye ngumlungisi, ngicela ungibize emlungisi. Yeah, umlungisi yabo.
Ulungisa.
Ngisani? Angilungisa inhliziyo mina. Ngilungisa inhliziyo zabantu.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why ngihalela ukulungisa niyakho. If ungakwazi kusiyami. Eish. Angithi yabona Nkosi yami sacela umtshele ethule phela.
Ngizofela mahlo.
Ish, I understand. Can you translate it into English? Because I don't understand. Buka manje. Buka ke manje.
Bathini mfethu ucophe ama-comment.
Bese uvela ufakaza nje yami. Mina nje manje ngizakhuluma noSisi.
Yeah. Yeah.
Buka manje, buka senithulisa uSirius manje.
Uyakaya no bonolo.
Bafethu. Sengibathathe ngiyakhuluma nami abafuni ukuthi ngikhulume.
Ngwana wabatla uhlaya epile mfethu.
Nkosi yami ngikhuluma noSweetheart la ngikhuluma nawe ndoda yini manje?
Sikala mfethu.
Sihlayela sana. Sihlayela mntana ngikhuluma nawe uSweetheart, yabo uSweetheart nje manje useze uyayisusa lana. Mfana wami. Uyazi into oyenzayo sana.
Ngicela uthi ukukhuka mfethu.
Ndoda, kuthiwa bathi angikhulume mfethu nge-English laba bantu laba. Mina angeke ngakhuluma English ebusuku. English yami iphelile mina English yami.
So bonolo, how was your day today? You are coming.
Yabona, usengigelile ikhundla ke nami bengizama ningibonile.
Yeah.
Kabiyabi lapha.
Ngiyakuzwa uthi ayaqonda hasethe Anthony. Bonolo. I'm saying, how was your day today? Belunjani usuku lakho?
Belimnandi.
Okano ritse ki Western. Onelle ya litsatsi la go ka jiko.
Akawuwestern.
O ritse ki Wesotho. Yantate chentate waruyi ngeke. Engaphezulu kwamandla ami le ndaba esisuthu.
Batla ngwaka mfethu.
Bra, oh shit. Oh damn. Bon, nna ke tlo bua Setswana, ke tlo bolela Sesotho ke. Ke bolela English, o bolela Sesotho.
Ayasuthu kuhle.
Ke tla reng ka Sesotho, ha ke kgone ho bolela tle mma.
Sabulela.
Ke go bua ke Setswana ke Sesotho. Yeah? Both. Ha ke kgone ho bua, ga ke kgone ho bua ka Sesotho, ke kgone ho bua ka Setswana no. Ke itse Setswana fela se Sesotho. Ke goletse fa go tletseng teng Matswana se Sesotho sa mpalla.
So pala bjang.
Eish, mafoka teng a thata man.
Ha se tsogo di wese tsa teng dithata go sona.
Abo, ha o utlwe ntate o ka utlwa no. O na di energy o siwe yana. O nyaka o etsang ka bo 12 o sa go ba le nna di energy drink. Onya ka khwetsang o nwa di energy drink late yana.
Ina ko bana le energy.
Onya ka khwetsang?
Ba le energy.
Neja eng bosiu.
Ya kutlwesepe. Hayi ngcono isiZulu ngeke indaba esisuthu le hayi kusebusuku for isisuthu ngiphatha ikhanda ke man. Hayi kusebusuku for isisuthu ngeke. Ngeke.
Tsoka kihlombe.
Hayi ngiphathwa ikhanda man. Thoke inkopisa hloko taba yo wasothu usiyana nawo khona hayi. Akukhulunywe isingisi noma isiZulu. Awukhethi lapho bona ukuthi ngikhulumeni ke bunono. Sotho semonate ndoda. Asibuleliwe ke batho ba bang semonate mona. Ha tshwana sibuleliwe ke nna sesona bafana. Yena ebona le ngibuye English ke wezulu.
Khulumi manje uedana na.
Yabona etamasuthu ngiyanyiwa osidubula la. Othi echentati kitsoithunya mo tla bola bafana. Yenda
Ngona venda.
itima ile jongo le.
Hayi.
Ay.
Yabona,
Ay futhi kusebusuku for isivenda. Yabona.
Angithi yabona. Yabona ke manje. Angithi yabona. My sister bekusase right isikhuluma isiZulu. Uright isikhuluma isiZulu.
Ebhuti hayi late for ukubulabula sivenda bhuti awu. Bhuti hayi bhuti.
Hayi.
Sikuhamba sivenda mama.
Bhuti hayi late. Gogo hayi late.
Babizana nangogogo kanti.
Yona sinagogo ba.
Famba yendlela gogo hayi ilate for ukubulabula sivenda gogo hayi.
Too late.
Uyenza yini gogo ungalali ngasikhathi lesi?
Kuyaloya.
Hayi yabona.
Gogo.
Hayi yabona.
Uma giyani gogo that's all nakubona.